Hey there, today we are going to start C# in Visual Studio Code and we will learn how to set up C# in Visual Studio Code. So let's start. First we have to click in the file and then we have to go to the save workspace as. We will click on this and we need to create a folder wherever you want to create, that is your choice. If I click on the desktop and I double click on this and I just say right click and then I say new and I put a folder here and I say, for example, C# is a folder name. Then I need to double click on the folder and I need to mention the workspace on it. So I can give any name. For example, the name is my workspace. Click on save. This is the first step which you have to do. The next step is you need to click on the file. You need to click on add folder to workspace. Then you need to search the folder where you have given the name. That folder name was C#. So now you have to click on this. Then you will give the new folder name. So you will say right click and you will click on the new folder. For example, the folder name is projects and now you will double click on it. You will just say add. Now after adding this, so you will find that one workspace will be there. When you click on this and you will find the one workspace and the project name will be there, but there is no file of C#. So we need to create a C# file for that. So for that what we are going to do, we are clicking on the terminal from the Visual Studio Code. Click on the new terminal and then the terminal will be there. You are in the project folder. Then you will type a command that is .NET, because we know that for C# we use .NET. So if it is not there in your system, then you have to install .NET first. So .NET hyphen info will show you whether the .NET is there or not. So it is showing some information. In my case, I just scroll it up and I'll show you. It is showing information, all .NET versions which are installed in my system. It is showing that. Now that means in my system .NET is there. So I just say CLS for the clear screen. And now what is the next? To create a C# file, we have to use that command .NET. And for creating a new application, you will say new, and you are creating which type of application. I'm creating a console application, so I'm putting new console, and you need to give a particular name for it. So you will say hyphen and you will say name. You need to provide the name of the file, name of the project you want to create. So for example, my project name is hello, the first project. So if I enter, it will automatically create the file for us. Now if you just click on this, you will just click on the thing, you will find all the files are there, with the object file, with the project file, and with the program.cs. If you click on the program.cs, you will find one particular file is there, and automatically now you will be able to write the code of C# in this window. Now we want to search this or we want to run it. So how to run? You just click on this and there is a play button in your Visual Studio Code. So you need not to click on the run code, you just click on run project associated with it. So you will just click on this and within a second you will find the output for the particular program. So in my program only hello world is written, so it will display you the hello world for that. So you will find within a seconds, so there will be a message of hello world. This is one method to run the application. There is another method to run the particular application. You just click on the folder in the terminal, you just click here and you just type the command you were working earlier, so .NET, but this time you are not creating the application, you are running the application. So you will say .NET run. If you enter, it will say something like that, could not find a project to run because I have not mentioned the project name. So I need to mention the project name. There are two choices. We have to go to the particular project first. So what we will do? We will do CD and we will make sure that we are in that particular folder, and then we make sure that .NET and we will say run. If I enter, now it will give you the particular output which was there. So within a second you will find your particular output for the particular file. So in this way you will be able to make a setup for a C# programming in Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching. If you really find this information useful, put a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.